In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit a check in Schwab. So it is very easy to do. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's start. So to depositing a check in Schwab mobile app, you need to follow this step. First, log in your Schwab account. Open Schwab mobile app, log in using your credentials. Then navigate to the mobile deposit feature. So tap on deposit or the mobile deposit in app. Then you need to capture the image of check. You need to take a clear photo of the front and the back of endorsed check. Ensure all the four corners of check are visible and the images are not blurry. Then you need to submit the form, submit the deposit. So follow the on-screen instruction to submit the check, verify the amount and confirm the deposit. Now you need to retain the check, store the physical check in the secure location for at least 14 days until the deposit clear. After clearation of deposit, you can safely destroy the check. So that is how you can deposit a check in Schwab. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.